Yeah, you need something to hold up, hold up. Get your phone out your pocket if you finna go in there. And your wallet. Oh my God, it's a baby in
Y'all help me get her out. She's talking. Help me move the car seat. Thank you.
hold on, nigga.
Incredible moment. Heroes rescue a dying baby and a toddler from a truck that flipped into a ditch as their father tried to escape the Texas flooding. This is the dramatic moment. A father and his two young children were rescued from their overturned truck as rapidly rising floodwaters surrounded the vehicle. Phillip Ocheltree, 25, of Wills Point, Texas, was driving home with his two kids in the backseat after tornadoes ripped through the state on Saturday, when he says his truck hydroplaned off the highway. The vehicle flipped, trapping Ocheltree and his infant son Marshal, and little girl Addyson, aka Addy, inside, as rising floodwater surrounded the car, making it impossible to open the doors. Thankfully, passersby spotted the upturned truck near Myrtle Spring and rushed to the family's aid. Tom Mitchell, who says he was too weak to help himself, began filming as a group of men waded through the rushing water and surrounded the truck. The men struggled to force the doors open against the current for several minutes until one man, wearing a red t-shirt and a cap, is able to get inside and grab baby Marshal from the back seat of the truck that was rapidly filling with water. "I need some f***ing help," he screamed as he waded to shore with the infant in his arms. Sadly, when he got to land, the rescuers could see the little boy was not breathing. "No color at all and the eyes were not focused when I looked down," Mitchell told FATV. At that point, he put his phone, which was still recording, in his pocket, and started CPR. "This baby is gonna die if we don't start CPR fast," Mitchell said. "Having a negative feeling coming over me," he added. "This baby may not make it, this baby may not make it." No reaction, nothing is happening. A woman off camera is heard praying, "Dear Jesus, please let this baby breathe, breathe."